Hello and welcome back to Tech It Simple. I'll be helping you learn how to log into Capital One business account. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Step by going to your web browser. You can open any web browser you want. Once you're in, type in Capital One Business Login and search from the search results. Click on this link over here. As soon as you do that, you'll end up in the signing page of Capital One to log into your business account. Choose Business from the options. As soon as you do that, on the next page, enter your username associated with their account. On the next field, enter the password for your account. After you do that, if you want the system to remember you, then check the box over here that says Remember Me. If you're using a public device or a shared device, make sure to uncheck this box in case you forgot to use any more password. You can click on this link over here and follow the instructions to look for your username or reset your password. After that, click on the sign in, but with this click you'll be logged into your Capital One business account. I hope the tutorial is helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback for us. I'll see you soon with more tutorial episodes. Again, thank you for watching.